Hello, I'm Dr. Mohammed Anas. I'm from Jaipur. I'm working in Jaipur. So I had this falling issue since 2 to 3 years. I've tried minoxidil, biotin, but it was never solved. So through social media, I came to know about this clinic, IFT, and I consulted here under H.S. Sharma. Now I'm hoping for the best. That's it. So this is what they have done. You can see the zigzag pattern they have used instead of the linear pattern which usually do, and they used a sapphire needle which could be used, and density filling was done than the conventional procedure. So the area appears more dense and completely filled, and this is their unique technique, IFT technique they call, and it is very promising to me personally. So I had this hair falling issue for the last 3 years. Have tried various medications like biotin, minoxidil, rosemary oil, and even Ayurvedic medications. So this was definitely was lowering my confidence. And then I started studying about this hair transplantation, and that's how I come to know about IFT through social medias initially. Then I came here in their branch, spoke with the main consultant, H.S. Sharma sir, and that's how I came to know about this IFT technique, interlocking, density filling, using sapphire needle. So I was it was very convincing. So we planned for the surgery, and this is my 5th day. It was a painless procedure, and you can see it's my 5th day. I'm very satisfied with the result. The staffs were very cooperative, comforting, definitely, and hoping for the best final result. So it's been 3 months now. So I have 3 months back I have done graft for 4,800 grafts were done. So abhi tak there is no side effects, and pretty happy with the result. Hello everyone. It's been 4 months after I came to know IFT, and it's been my 4 months after my transplant now. I did 4,500 grafts 4 months ago, and this is my result now after 4 months. I'm really happy with the result, and thanks to all the IFT and doctors and workers, everyone for their support. Thank you.